Now talk to Mama.
Hey, Mama. Hello, Mama.
Say hi, Mama, Bubby. Bubby.
I love you, Mama.
Bubby.
What is it on there?
Oh, I guess Mama doesn't want to see you anyways.
Mama, what is... Mama! What is on there? What is on there?
I'm recording you.
No, what is on there?
But this? Just
No,
stick it.
what's on here?
No. Just stick it.
I see Bubby. Hello, Mama. I love you. Bye.
You have something to say?
Got you a Thanksgiving present.
What you, Bubby? What'd you do?
I just hit Maggie.
Hmm?
I just played with Jordan and Maggie.
You just playing with Jordan and Maddie? Yeah? What'd you get for your birthday?
A Snuggie and his
What'd you get?
a Snuggie.
Did you get a Barbie doll?
Uh-uh.
What'd you get? Tell Mama what you got.
A Snuggie and then a
Look,
car.
stop walking. Ew, there's doo-doo over there.
Huh?
Here, look. Look, Bubby, look at me. Tell Mama what you got for your birthday.
I got 10 birthday hat
What else?
and a Snuggie and a car.
And what else?
With a game. And a 10. And a 10.
What else did you get, Bubby?
Nothing else.
Did you get a bike?
A bicycle and a belt and a
Jordan?
cup.
What else?
Holder. Holder.
Hmm?
Holder.
What else did you get?
Ball.
What else?
A football. And a basketball. And a bike.
Get back over here, guys. Now.
And he got his helmet for his bike. Bubby, 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 Bubby.
I'm tired. And I don't want to be here at the bus stop this morning. So, after we're done here, I'm going back in. I'm going to lay down. Goodbye, ma'am. I love you.
Bye now, I love you. Bye now, I love you.
Bubby, say bye, ma'am. I love you.
Bye now, I love you.